is? Measuring cylinder. Do you know what is the purpose of the measuring cylinder?
To measure the volume of an irregular shaped object.
To measure the volume of the water displaced in a measuring cylinder after put an object inside the water. Okay, thank you. Okay, measuring cylinder not only used in the water displacement purpose. Measuring cylinder you can use as for any purpose that to calculate or find the volume of the water. Volume of the water. Okay, do you know what is this? Beaker. Okay, beaker also another apparatus used to find the volume. Okay, let's say okay, I take the bottle. Okay, so is this the bottle? You can know how much is the volume of the water? Don't know. So now I just put. Okay, for example, okay, just a little bit pity will cry later. Just a little bit. Okay, now you know ready. Thank you, my dear. Sorry, use your water ready. Okay, now you know ready. Okay, now can you say the volume of the water right now? Okay, what is how much the volume of the water? Come. Anyone? Okay, come nearer. Okay, can you see that? Just read here. Your height must be straight. You cannot read from the up. You cannot read from the down. Cannot. Yeah. Okay. This is a 50. Okay. 100. 150. And this is the one sure between 200. Yes. So the volume of the water is 200 milliliter. That's the thing. Okay, so this is the one we say how we can find the volume of the water. Understand?
Understand.
Okay, now as a theory, I'm going to explain you all on how to calculate the water displaced in the measuring cylinder. Okay, let's see that. Okay. Okay, our title is water displacement. Okay, displacement. Okay, this is the one. Okay, just a simple just draw simple only. Okay, water level. Okay, this is measuring cylinder A, and this one measuring cylinder B. Okay, the first one, I'm going to now put a stone inside the water. Okay, this is my initial volume. Initial volume. Okay, my initial volume, for example, I just say right down here. Okay, what is my initial volume here? 30 milliliter. Okay, that's correct. And now, after I put a stone, okay, now you can see a stone inside the measuring cylinder. Okay, after I put a stone inside the measuring cylinder, is it the water level is up or decrease? Increase or decrease? Increase. So it's a become 50 milliliter. So this is the one we say water displaced. Water displaced. Okay, so now this is my final volume. Okay, my final volume is become 50 milliliter. Okay, so this is the first. Now your question is, they're asking how you can find the volume of the object. Okay, yes, Ari.
We must minus the final volume and the initial volume.
Final volume with the initial volume. Is that correct, class?
Yes.
That's right. Okay, now that is the formula we're going to be using to find the water displacement. Final volume minus initial volume. That's right. Why not the initial volume minus final volume? Anyone know the reason? Why not? We using the initial volume minus, yes, Siti.
Because the initial volume is less than the final volume.
That's right. Okay, very good. So now, okay, let's look at that. Okay, now, how much is the final volume?
50 milliliter.
Yes, milliliter. So this is the volume of the object. That is, you can see in the measuring cylinder B. That's all. It is a very, very simple. So this is as a theory I showed to you already. So are you clear with it? Class? Please read.
Measuring the volume of an irregular shaped solid.
Solid, huh? So fill in the blanks with the correct answers on how Aisha uses the water displacement method. You know the water displacement, is it? So how to do the find the volume of the object? What is the formula they use to find the water displacement? What is the formula? How you can find?
Find the volume.
Minus initial
volume.
Okay, from here now this is the, what is it? Before you put the object is the initial volume. Okay, what is the initial volume here?
Is 30.
30. Okay, write down here 30. Okay, they use the rope, huh? Okay, is correct. Okay, what is the final volume? What is the final volume? 40. After you put ready the screw, the spanner inside the become 40. The water level is become 40. Okay, now you know ready the final volume, initial volume. Am I right? So this is the 40 ml minus 30 ml. So what is your answer there? Why you put 70? That is the wrong. So 40 ml minus 30 is become, what is that? 10 milliliter. So now you know already how to find the volume of the object. So
Yes.
what is the formula? Formula. Yeah, method. That's the formula. Method. How you find?
I find the final volume in years.
Minus
initial volume.
So now okay, ready? Okay, so this is the be using the measuring cylinder. So this is the 30 row, 40 the final, 40 minus 30 you get a 10 milliliter. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.